Before I bought my Ninja Foodi XL Grill, I watched dozens of YouTube videos to find out about the product. I watched unboxing videos, first impression videos, review videos, comparison videos, recipe videos, and you know what I discovered? Many of these videos are 20 and 30 minutes long. You can cook a steak on the Ninja Foodi XL Grill faster than you can watch many of the videos telling you how to cook a steak on the Ninja Foodi XL Grill. You don't need that. I certainly didn't need that. What you need is quick and concise videos. And that's what I'm aiming to do with this series of videos on the Ninja Foodi XL Grill, which for starters, we're going to just call the XL Grill because Ninja Foodi XL Grill is just too long. These are the parts inside the box. The XL Grill unit itself, the temperature probe, a brush, the air crisping pan, the grill, and the baking pan. Plus there's some paperwork. That's all there is.